Click on the link below to get price. The M1 electric bike for adults is a standout in the burgeoning e-bike market, particularly for those seeking a blend of power, comfort, and versatility. With its robust 1800W peak motor, this bike offers impressive acceleration and top speeds, making it ideal for both leisurely rides and more challenging terrains. The electric motor operates seamlessly, providing assistance that enhances your pedaling rather than overshadowing it, allowing for a natural riding experience. One of the most notable features is the bike's 26x4 0-foot fat tires. These oversized tires provide exceptional stability and traction, enabling riders to confidently tackle various surfaces, from rugged trails to urban streets. The larger tire size also absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on pothole-ridden city roads or uneven paths. The bike's design is equally commendable. The frame is constructed from durable materials that can withstand regular use while also being lightweight enough for easy maneuverability. The adjustable seat and handlebars allow for a customizable riding position, catering to riders of different heights and preferences. Additionally, the inclusion of a high-capacity battery ensures that you can enjoy extended rides without the constant worry of needing to recharge. Safety features are not overlooked either. The M1 electric bike is equipped with disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The front and rear lights enhance visibility during night rides, making it a practical choice for commuters. Overall, the M1 electric bike for adults is an impressive option for anyone looking to embrace the e-bike revolution. Its powerful motor, sturdy build, and thoughtful design elements make it suitable for both casual riders and those who need a reliable mode of transportation. Whether commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors, this bike delivers exceptional performance, comfort, and style, making every ride a pleasurable experience.